Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to put your window down. No. Ma'am, you're gonna have to put it down. Don't talk to me like that. You're not even a flight attendant. But I am the person who's gonna be stuck sitting next to you for the rest of the flight, so I suggest you put it down. Then I suggest you turn around and find a new seat because I'm not putting it down. Listen, I have the worst sunburn right now. My skin is literally peeling like I'm a mermaid or something, and I can't have direct contact with the sun, so you're gonna have to close the window. That sounds like a personal problem. You are so insensitive. What? Girl, you know full well what that means. Now sit down. I need to get this plane rolling or zooming. How dare you speak to your first class customers like that? Do you know who I am? Baby, please. I've been doing this for years. I can tell the difference between someone with money and someone with miles. Now sit down.